My name is Brock Ray. I'm the owner of Triple BA Farms, and we produce free-range eggs. Me and my business partner produce between 35 and 40,000 free-range eggs a day. After COVID, we actually had almost a doubling in feed cost. Fuel cost went up. All of these things that it takes daily for us to put these eggs on the table, all of those amounts started to climb around the time COVID really got at its highest point, I guess you would say. And we started looking for ways to combat that rise in cost to do production. So solar was one of the ways that we figured we could save 30–40% a month on our utilities, and that's just money that we can apply to another area that we're not able to control. We got hooked up with Core, got the systems on, and started instantly saving money because we had no money up front. It was a lease program. They maintained the panels, and it was a no-brainer for us. It was going to put cash back in our pocket at the end of every month. So that was the reason we went with Core.